stand with virtue and pray to God he will not hurt you. Ain't got no faith in this, forgot you is an atheist. I swear, bitch, you gon' pay for this. Never thought you would betray this. Bitch, you can't just die. Bitch, you are nothing. You stood here by my side. Just fake as fucking destroying my end of days. This pain, it won't go away. There's nothing to do or say, so grab a seat and hear me tell ya. Keep on hating on me, bitch, they tell me, Jack, just be nice. I'll find you haters, kill you all with a 12-inch butcher's knife. Steado psychos, we ready, murder heavy, bloody necks heavy, coming back from the dead like my name was Machiavelli. Bitch, I ain't shit to you, I'd wind up in a ditch for you. Keep crawling, trying to escape this grave, but in my mind it's where I stay. So you take my daughter, go away. You take my heart and throw away. No sunny weather in my future, trying to get through a rainy day. So I'm halfway tipsy, I'm going underground, you can't see me. My riders are down to bang with me, so you can try to forget me. Buried 6 feet down underground, maybe been feeling real down, and my mind's hate me. Just wanna forget about shit lately, but get put down, you don't face me. I gave my heart and you blocked it, put it in a black box and then locked it. Never to be found in this lifetime, never to be found. I don't get mine, you left me on my saddle, heartbroken, struck down. I feel my neck choking, hellbound. I feel to have it broken to the ground, cause silence is much more than your frown. Rain, rain, go away, don't come again, not ever. Just leave me by myself to enjoy this sunny weather. Shit will never be the same, only pain is in my brain. Fuck this rain and where it came, now I'm taking it all away.